Ready to turn back the clock on aging? This 30-day plan guides you to reduce wrinkles naturally and achieve smoother skin. Focusing on hydration, antioxidants, collagen, and skin protection, each week unlocks a new level of skincare. Simple changes, powerful results. Hydration is the foundation of youthful skin. This week, focus on internal and external hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Aim for 8 glasses to keep your skin plump and hydrated from the inside out. Externally, use a hydrating moisturizer morning and night. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, a humectant that attracts and retains moisture. A hydrating serum applied before your moisturizer can further enhance moisture retention, leaving your skin feeling supple and smooth. Remember, hydrated skin is happy skin. Antioxidants protect your skin from free radical damage, which is a major contributor to aging. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to premature wrinkles, fine lines, and dull skin. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, antioxidants help maintain your skin's youthful appearance and overall health. This week, load up on antioxidant-rich foods and try a natural face mask. Incorporating these powerful ingredients into your routine can make a significant difference. Berries, leafy greens, and green tea are packed with antioxidants. These foods not only benefit your skin, but also boost your overall health. Incorporate them into your diet to fight oxidative stress. A diet rich in antioxidants can help protect your skin from the inside out. For a DIY antioxidant boost, try a simple face mask. It's an easy and effective way to nourish your skin. Mix mashed avocado with honey. Avocado provides healthy fats, and honey is a natural humectant. This combination hydrates and revitalizes your skin. Apply the mask to clean skin and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Enjoy the natural glow. This simple routine can leave your skin feeling refreshed and radiant. Week 3. Boost collagen, your skin's best friend. This week, we dive into the importance of collagen and how it can transform your skin. Collagen provides structure and elasticity to your skin, making it look firm and youthful. It's the secret behind that smooth, plump appearance. As we age, collagen production decreases, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. This natural decline can be countered with the right approach. This week, focus on boosting collagen naturally. Incorporate foods and habits that support collagen production. Bone broth is rich in collagen. It's a nourishing option that can easily be added to your diet. Sip on a warm cup daily, or use it as a base for soups and stews. It's a delicious way to support your skin from within. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen synthesis. It acts as a cofactor in the collagen building process. Increase your intake by consuming citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers. These vibrant foods are not only tasty, but also skin-friendly. Additionally, consider adding a collagen supplement to your routine. Supplements can provide an extra boost, especially if your diet lacks collagen-rich foods. Choose a high-quality hydrolyzed collagen powder for optimal absorption. This form is easily digested and can be mixed into various beverages. Week 4. Shield your skin, preserve your glow. This week, we focus on the importance of sun protection for maintaining healthy, radiant skin. Protecting your skin from the sun is paramount in preventing premature aging. The sun's UV rays can cause significant damage, leading to wrinkles, dark spots, and even skin cancer. This week, make sun protection a non-negotiable part of your routine. Incorporate it into your daily habits, just like brushing your teeth or washing your face. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every day, even on cloudy days. Remember, UV rays can penetrate through clouds and still harm your skin. Reapply every 2 hours, especially after swimming or sweating. Sunscreen can wear off, so it's crucial to keep your skin protected throughout the day. Wear protective clothing like wide-brimmed hats and sunglasses to shield your skin from harmful UV rays. These accessories can provide an extra layer of defense. Seek shade during peak sun hours, typically between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Remember, prevention is key. Avoiding direct sunlight during these hours can significantly reduce your risk of skin damage. By protecting your skin today, you're investing in its youthful appearance for years to come. Healthy skin is a reflection of your overall well-being, so take the necessary steps to preserve your glow. Embrace the journey to timeless beauty. This 30-day plan provides a roadmap to reduce wrinkles naturally and achieve smoother, more youthful skin. Remember, consistency is key. Embrace these natural remedies and make them a part of your lifestyle. Nourish your body from the inside out and protect your skin from external aggressors. Share your progress and inspire others to embrace the natural path to timeless beauty. Your skin will thank you for it.